If you have a commercial grade air mover blower that's making a rattling noise, this is the video for you. Now this particular one is a Tornado, but you may have a Craftsman, you might have a Bizzle, you might have a DeWalt, Milwaukee. There's multiple different ones, but they all pretty much are the same concept. So if it's making a rattling noise, the first thing I want you to do is look where you have it on the ground. So that could be the issue where the ground is uneven. Check that. As you can see here, there is a metal grill that I could prop it up and raise it. If you have that ability, do that. And you might need to get like a piece of plywood or a piece of flat flooring that you could put underneath it. A lot of times that will fix the issue. All right, next thing I want you to do is check around the body and make sure that there's no screws that are loose. It could be either an Allen wrench or it could be a Phillips head screwdriver. There's multiple, and what you're going to do is you're going to go around the body to all these screws and you're going to tighten it. This is your first line to see if there is an issue with it actually coming apart slightly. All right, now, after you've done that, what I want you to do is unplug it from the wall, and it depends on the model that you have, but you can usually remove the cover where you can expose the filters in the blade. Sometimes they're clip-on, sometimes they're a screw, and you might have to look it up on your user manual or on Google. And what I want you to do is take off the panel and then inspect if it's got a filter that you can remove. What I want you to do is remove the filter and clean it, and then let it dry, then replace the filter. So what's happening is a lot of times it's running too hard because it's getting overheated or whatever. And then check the blades. If you can clean the blades, that's great. Make sure that the blades are aligned. You might need to tighten some screws inside of it while it's unplugged. All right, clean the filter and then reassemble everything and see if it works better again. It could be a power issue, so make sure that you have it plugged up to a wall outlet and not a cheap extension cord. If you have it in an extension cord, plug it into a wall and see if it's not making that noise. If it's not, then you know it's not getting correct power from that extension cord, and you just may need to keep it in the wall or use more of a commercial grade extension cord. All right, and there's also ways to reset it. You can look around the body. It's like a GFCI button. It's like a black or red button. It's usually on the side. This one doesn't have it, the Tornado, but a lot of them do, and it's a reset button, and you just press on that button. And if it's been running for a long time, for a good long time, it may be overheating, so let it stay unplugged for a good 30 minutes to 40 minutes, and then plug it in and see if that noise continues. All right, let me know in the comment section what brand you have. Do you have a Tornado? Do you have a Craftsman? Do you have a Milwaukee? Do you have a Bizzle? What do you have?